Fog rises, hiding the mountains ahead. I drift into many stories I have read. What awaits as I leave worry behind? Fog on the outside, rather than in my mind. Guardrails and dotted lines guide me, easing the throttle as I release all worry. Jagged rocks and wild grass as I peer through the windshield glass. A moment in nature awaits. I wonder how many case their fates. Or do they simply awaken and breathe from the normal, never daring to leave? Our souls plead with us to go seek, to see what nature points, to hear her speak. The fog may bring fear to some. For me, it makes my spirit wander and run.